Soldier Barber Life tip of the week, and this tip of the week has to do with anyone who has a clipper that has a loose lever. If your lever is moving when it's not supposed to, when you're cutting hair, the only time it should be moving is if you are actually moving it yourself. So the first thing you want to do is get you a screwdriver and actually try to tighten this up itself. Tighten it down as much as you can, but still have enough room to let it go back and forth. If this doesn't fix it, the next thing you need to do is you actually need to take this whole lever off, expose the screw, and what you need to do is get yourself some of this thread locker here. You're going to apply this thread locker on there, and then it'll lock that lever in place and it won't be loose anymore.